Welcome to the best pick. The best garden lawn sprinkler is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a lush, healthy, and vibrant lawn, especially during the dry seasons. It's not just about watering, it's about efficient, even coverage that promotes deep root growth and prevents common lawn diseases, ensuring your outdoor space remains a beautiful oasis. Choosing the right sprinkler can significantly impact your lawn's appearance and your water bill, making it a crucial investment for curb appeal and overall property value. Number 5. Aqua Oscillating Sprinkler. Introducing the Aqua Oscillating Sprinkler, designed to simplify your lawn care routine. Its durable construction and customizable settings make watering your yard a breeze. Enjoy up to 3,600 square feet of coverage with 16 clog-resistant nozzles. This sprinkler ensures even watering across your entire lawn, reaching every corner. With an indestructible metal base and a sealed motor, this sprinkler is built for long-lasting performance. It remains stable and reliable, season after season. This tool is compatible with standard garden hoses, providing extensive coverage. It delivers powerful watering performance, ensuring your lawn stays healthy and vibrant. Trust Joe brands for innovative and high-quality tools for your home and yard. Make yard work easy and get the job done right with our reliable products. What we like. This oscillating sprinkler is built for durability with its indestructible metal base. It offers precise watering for large yards up to 3,600 square feet with 16 clog-resistant nozzles. If you have a large lawn and need a sprinkler that can withstand the elements and provide consistent coverage without frequent clogs, you should consider this one. What people say. The sprinkler head has a 360-degree rotating arm with 12 built-in flexible nozzles, allowing for adjustable spray patterns and coverage. It covers a large area, up to 3,600 square feet, making it ideal for watering lawns, gardens, and even outdoor cooling. The durable ABS plastic construction ensures longevity and resistance to rust and corrosion, even with frequent use. Number 4. Eden 96213 EDAM's Weighted Essential Oscillating Sprinkler. Achieve consistent, even watering across your entire lawn or garden. This sprinkler covers up to 3,600 square feet with its 16 precision nozzles. Easily adjust the watering area to suit your needs. The sliding tabs allow for precise coverage, ensuring no spot is missed. Experience smooth and quiet operation thanks to its patented turbo drive motor. This design ensures reliable performance and a long lifespan. The weighted base provides excellent stability, keeping it firmly in place even during operation. You can count on it to stay put. Connect and disconnect with ease using the twist and lock system. The Quick Connect bundle even includes a water halt feature for tool changes without shutting off the water. Keep your sprinkler working optimally with the integrated nozzle cleaning tool. It's designed for reliable long-term performance. Enjoy improved filtration and leak-free connections with the included stainless steel filter washers. It ensures a clean and efficient watering experience. What we like. This oscillating sprinkler features a weighted base for superior stability and a quick connect system for easy hose changes. It provides even watering for up to 3,600 square feet with 16 precision nozzles. If you value stability, easy setup, and consistent watering without the hassle of moving the sprinkler frequently, this is a great choice for your garden. What people say. The sprinkler head covers a wide area, ensuring my entire lawn gets watered evenly. I appreciate the adjustable spray pattern, which allows me to customize the watering for different parts of my garden. The durable metal construction feels solid and has held up well through different weather conditions. Number 3. Rainbird 32 ETI DIY In-Ground Sprinkler Kit. Enjoy a perfectly watered lawn all season long without any effort. This system takes care of everything for you. Say goodbye to the constant struggle of moving hoses and adjusting sprinklers. It's designed to make your life easier. Easily attach it to your outdoor faucet and install it in just one afternoon. You can do it yourself with no professional help needed. When not in use, the sprinklers disappear into the lawn. This keeps your yard looking neat and makes mowing a breeze. It's ideal for medium-sized lawns, covering areas from 1,000 to 3,000 square foot. Get consistent coverage with average water pressure. What we like. This is an in-ground automatic sprinkler kit designed for hassle-free, seasonal lawn watering. It installs in an afternoon and retracts into the lawn for a clean look and easy mowing. If you're tired of manual watering, want a clean aesthetic, and prefer a set-it-and-forget-it solution for medium-sized lawns, this automatic system is ideal. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can cover a wide area. It is made of durable metal and has a sturdy base. The water flow can be easily controlled for different watering needs. Number 2. Orbit H2O 6-gear drive sprinkler. Achieve a beautifully watered lawn and garden with 6 versatile spray patterns. It provides efficient watering for large areas, ensuring everything stays green and healthy. Easily customize your watering experience. Adjust angles and spray distance with the rotating head and collar tabs for flexible, 360-degree coverage. Fine-tune your watering with the 4-position spray control system. This ensures precise water distribution for consistent and even coverage across your lawn. Get started right away with simple setup. Just connect your hose and insert the spike for immediate and convenient garden irrigation. Save time and water with our intuitive designs. Enjoy dependable performance that contributes to greener outdoor spaces. This sprinkler is built for durability and convenience. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance season after season. What we like. This gear drive sprinkler offers versatile watering with 6 customizable spray patterns and a durable metal T-spike for easy setup. It provides large area coverage and precise water distribution. If you need a flexible sprinkler that can be easily moved and adjusted to water different areas of your yard with specific patterns, this is a practical option. What people say. The sprinkler head rotates 360 degrees, covering a large area effectively. It has multiple spray patterns, allowing for different watering needs, from fine mist to strong jets. The base is weighted and wide, providing excellent stability even with water pressure. Number 1. Rocky Mountain Goods Metal Oscillating Sprinkler. Introducing the Rocky Mountain Goods Metal Oscillating Sprinkler. Its heavy-duty, rust-proof aluminum base ensures lasting durability for all your watering needs. This sprinkler covers an impressive 4,100 square feet, providing consistent watering across your entire lawn. Say goodbye to dry spots and hello to lush greenery. Achieve the perfect watering pattern with its easy adjust range control. You can customize the spray to suit your specific lawn and garden requirements. Keep your sprinkler working optimally with the convenient built-in spray jet cleaning needle. It's located in the hub opposite the hose attachment for easy access. We stand by our product's quality. This sprinkler comes with a lifetime warranty, meaning if any component fails, we will replace it, guaranteed. What we like. This oscillating sprinkler boasts a heavy-duty, rust-proof aluminum base and offers an impressive 4,100 square foot coverage. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for maximum coverage, long-term durability, and a product backed by a strong warranty for your large lawn, this sprinkler is an excellent investment. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can cover a wide area, from a small patch to a large lawn. It's made of durable metal, so it feels sturdy and should last a long time. The spray pattern is even and consistent, ensuring no dry spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.